Most people want to invest, right? They see others making money with crypto, stocks, and AI-driven trading, but they never take action. Why? Because it feels too complicated. The market moves too fast. By the time you react, the price has already changed. Trading manually is exhausting. Staring at charts all day isn't practical. Even pros lose money because emotions get in the way of making smart decisions. So here's the real question. What are smart investors doing differently? They're using AI-driven tools that analyze the market, execute profitable trades, and optimize portfolios automatically. And one of the most powerful investment tools available right now is Tokentact. Click the link in the description, sign up in 60 seconds, and start letting AI work for you. But before you do, let's break down exactly how Tokentact works, why it's different, and why investors in Canada are switching to AI-powered investing. Most investors fail because they trade based on emotions, rumors, or outdated strategies. That's why Tokentact was designed to take human error out of the equation and replace it with data-driven, AI-backed decisions. Here's how it works. AI scans the market 24/7. Instead of relying on guesswork, Tokentact's algorithm analyzes thousands of data points in real time to identify profitable opportunities. Instant trade execution. No hesitation, no emotional decisions. The AI enters and exits trades at the perfect moment. Portfolio optimization. Tokentact doesn't just buy and sell. It constantly adjusts your investments to maximize profits and minimize risks. Copy professional traders. Want to mirror expert strategies? Tokentact lets you replicate top investors' portfolios, helping you grow faster with proven methods. No manual work. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the AI does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. The result? A smarter, faster, and more reliable way to invest, without stress. Most AI trading platforms are just basic bots that follow preset rules. Tokentact is different. AI that learns. The system continuously adapts based on market trends, improving strategies in real time. Exclusive insider data. Tokentact combines AI analytics with hidden market insights that most retail traders never see. Beginner-friendly. No experience? No problem. The platform is designed to be simple and accessible to all investors. No hidden fees. You keep 100% of your profits. No commissions, no surprise charges. And if you're still unsure, Tokentact offers a risk-free trial so you can test the system before committing real funds. Click the link in the description, register in 1 minute, and start letting AI optimize your investments today. Important. Beware of fake Tokentact platforms. As Tokentact becomes more popular, scammers are creating fake versions to trick users. To make sure you're on the real Tokentact platform, only use the verified link in the description. This is the only way to safely create your account and start investing with AI. Final thoughts. Is Tokentact worth it? The short answer? Yes, if you want to invest smarter, not harder. It's not just a trading bot, it's a full AI-driven investment system. It removes emotional decision-making, leading to more consistent results. It's easy to use, even if you have zero experience. If that sounds interesting, click the link in the description, sign up, and see for yourself. And if you found this useful, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.